Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for your stimulus check. First, confirm your eligibility. Generally, individuals with an adjusted gross income below $75,000 or $150,000 for married couples filing jointly qualify. You also need a valid Social Security number. If someone claimed you as a dependent, you might not be eligible. Understanding these initial criteria is your first crucial step. If you do not typically file a tax return, the IRS Non-Filers tool is for you. This online portal allows you to provide essential information like your name, address, and bank account details. It's designed to help you register for your payment without needing to complete a full tax return. This ensures you receive your funds efficiently, often through direct deposit within a few weeks. For those who regularly file tax returns, any missed stimulus payments can be claimed as a recovery rebate credit. You will typically do this on your Form 1040 or Form 1040-SR. Make sure to accurately report your adjusted gross income and other relevant information. This credit will either reduce your tax liability or result in a refund, ensuring you receive your due payment. After filing, you can track your payment status using the IRS Get My Payment tool online. Simply enter your Social Security number, date of birth, and address. Payments are typically issued via direct deposit or mailed check. Allow several weeks for processing. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, it is best to contact the IRS directly for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.